Hello everyone. So in this video we will see that how we can create keyboard shortcuts for any command in VS Code. Okay. So we are using Salesforce and mostly we need to use the SFDX commands. So we will see how we can create keyboard shortcut for SFDX commands. Okay. First you need to go to manage, then click on keyboard shortcuts, then search for the command that you want to create any shortcut for that. So for example, I will create a shortcut for this command, create apex class. So I will press, you just need to press the keys that you want to use. So I will press Control A and then C. Okay, press enter and then you will see that keyboard shortcut is being created. So now for example, if I will Control A and then C. See, it is asking that what should be the name of Apex class. So let me just testing Apex, this directory. You see, command automatically run and that class has been created. In the same way, if you see here, I have created the keyboard shortcut for this command. So if I just select this, okay, and then I will press Ctrl D and S, you see that command is already running. Okay, so that's how you can create a shortcut for this. If you want to change the shortcut, then just go to here and just click here and just press your preferred combination of key. Okay, thank you so much.